In this video, Tayla shows us a really fun way to use a scooter board and a ramp. We like to put down these boards in our hallway to help maintain the speed of the scooter board, as the carpet can slow it down considerably. Just something to think about. Fast linear movement of the scooter board activates the vestibular and proprioceptive systems, which can positively impact the postural and ocular systems, which may be goal areas you're working on with your client. This prone extension position, where Tayla has her stomach on the board and is able to maintain her upper and lower body in full extension, creates a challenge for her postural extensor muscles and the stability of her trunk. You may want to incorporate games where you're taking one item from the top of the ramp to a target at the end, or you may want to crash into a tower, or just incorporate something very special to the child so it's motivating and super fun for them. The most important thing is just to have lots of fun. Look at Tayla at the end here with this huge smile. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.